Hey, Kelpieone here on Stainedglasscuts. Today I'm going to share a design I call Circle Drop. It uses solid brass and glass. As you know, most stained glass work is two-dimensional, stationary, and requires placement in a window or to be lit from behind. This design gives you something to look at from any angle, whether indoors or outdoors in the wind. I would rate this project's difficulty as moderate. Before you embark on this, be sure that you are comfortable with these skills: cutting a straight line, cutting a glass circle, fusing a glass circle, slumping shapes into glass, drilling holes in glass, making a brass hanger. If you're missing any of these skills, I have detailed videos that describe how to. You can also make this design using a single layer of glass, as I have here. In this case, you don't need fusing and slumping skills. However, I did grind the edges smooth. Here's everything I'll be using: 7 circles of fused glass into which I've slumped simple shapes and attached brass hangers, a brass O-ring, a swivel, and some solid brass chain. I'll start by removing 7 links of chain. I'm sacrificing some links so that I end up with 6 links that have never been distorted by bending. So there are 6 links, and we're going to open up the 7th link, and it'll be used when we go to put our O-ring and swivel together. I've moved over to my vise with the 6 unaltered links. I've drawn a baseline and a 60-degree angle line on the soft jaws of my vise. I'll take the first link and insert it halfway into the jaws, noting the orientation, in this case loop up, and I'll center it on my horizontal line and tighten down the vise. Next, I'll take my running pliers, centering them on the same line. I'll squeeze firmly and rotate until I get to my 60-degree mark. And I'll repeat now for the remaining 5 links. Now to put things together. I want all the links oriented in the same direction. This is important because I want the glass to spiral in one direction. This one is out of alignment. The links should all be open enough to go onto the hangers. I'll bend slightly if needed. Also, no pun intended, note I've made sure my stars are all properly aligned. I'll start by placing a link on the bottom hanger of each circle, again maintaining the link alignment. Now I'll secure the links with my ridged grazing pliers. Then I'll connect each circle to the one below it. Now for the hanging chain. First, I'll attach the O-ring to the remaining single link and then attach it to one end of the swivel. Then I'll determine the length of chain that I want. I'm going to go with 9 links. And I'll take the length of chain and attach it to the other end of the swivel. Next, I'll take the other end of the chain and attach it to my top glass piece. And there you have it, circle drop, ready to be hung outside. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please consider subscribing. Cheers!